give future students the advice to don't write care homes off, give it a try. There are lots of placement opportunities for us to go into. Care homes usually get bad press, but I find them really accommodating, and compared to a lot of clinical placements I've been on, I find the support from my supervisor and assessor second to none at this placement, which gave me a lot of learning opportunities. So it is a good placement to go into.